Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on EVgo. I did a video on them a while back, and time for an update. This is EVgo, and ticker is EVgo. Can't get much simpler than that. Here's a look at over the last year. This one's been kind of all over the place. Had kind of a couple run-ups here to the $22 range, fell back down to the 11. Danced around 11 and 13, back to the 11. Didn't go below that 11 there for a while. Another little run up to 16. Then it started falling back down to the 7s, $8 range. Had a nice run up here back in November to the 19, and it's fallen back down again. So don't know if it'll hit these levels or where it's going to stop, but currently at $9.30. And I would need to research it to see why it had these $20, $16, and $19 run-ups, but over the last 3 months it's not been too bad. 4.73% here at $7.93, had a run up to 19 and back down. Here in the last month it's down over 28%, and the last week down over 6%. And here's a look at today. So started up and then dropped back off, and so this one's been kind of all over the place. I suppose if you wanted to trade this one and trade it right, you could probably make some money trading it, but I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, so you'd have to do your own due diligence there. But if you don't know much about this one, you can probably figure it out from the ticker. But it's a operates electric vehicle charging station. It offers EVgo network, home charging solutions, work charging solutions, and freedom station plans to electric car owners. That's weird. It doesn't even show when it was founded unless it's updating. But volume on this one is 4.6 million, a little bit under the average of 4.86. With a $2.48 billion market cap, 52-week low of 717 and a high of 2434. And here's a look at their ratings. Currently at a 43% buy, and that's kind of interesting. 43 on the buy and the hold. So I don't think I've ever seen ratings like that where they're both. That's kind of interesting. Here's a look at the earnings. The next one is on March 17th, so if you're in EVgo, you might want to put that on your calendar. Something to watch. And I got some information here. Couldn't pull it up on Bing, so the ticker, I think, was throwing it off, but analysts gave EVgo stock a consensus recommendation rating of an overweight calculated at a mean rating of 2.2. If we narrow down the specifics, the data show that 0 out of 8 analysts rate the stock as a sell, with a further one assigning it as an overweight rating. And we'll go over some more ratings later in the video. This is dated on the 27th, so 2 days ago. EVgo analysts see things differently today. So we'll see what they say here. So in the last trading session, 4.35 million EVgo shares changed hands as the company's beta touched zero, with the company's per share price at $10.47 change hands at 49 cents or 4.91% during the last session. The market valuation stood at $2.64 billion. EVgo's last price was a discount, traded at about minus 132.47% off of its 52-week high of $24.34. Share price had a 52-week low of $7.17, which suggests the last value was 31.52% up since then. If we look at EVgo's average trading volume, we note the 10-day average is 5.15 million shares, with the 3-month average coming to 8.32 million. Analyst gave some ratings here. Feel free to pause and go over that. Like I said, we'll go over some more here later. Here's some trade information on EVgo. Since it's a day or two old, we'll feel free to pause and go over that if you'd like. And here's some estimates and forecasts. Consensus estimates given by 3 financial analysts project the company revenue in the current quarter to hit an average of $5.82 million. 3 analysts are of the opinion EVgo Incorporated revenue for the quarter ending December 2021 will be $6.3 million. So a little bit different ratings there. This is also dated yesterday, the 28th. So EVgo stock initiated by JP Morgan analysts. Price now is $20. And as we started off, it's $9.30. And so you could double your money there by their ratings. And like I said, it's dated yesterday. So the EVgo slipped around minus 0.42 points on Monday, while shares priced at $10.05 at the close of the session, down minus 4.01%. Company report on December 16, 2021 that EVgo launches a new mobile app to drive personalized industry-leading EV charging services. Redesigned app boasts new features and customization options aimed at streamlining user experiences and increasing network utilization. EVgo is the largest public fast charging network for electric vehicles, or EVs, the first powered by 100% renewable electricity. Today unveiled the all-new EVgo mobile app. The app's modern design, convenient new features, and enhanced performance provide a streamlined driver experience, giving customers more reliable and personalized charging services while on the go. Hence EVgo. Customers can charge their EVgo and our roaming partners in just 3 easy steps: plug in, tap to start, and charge up. EVgo stock now is minus 6.16% down from the year. To date, trading value, EVgo stock saw the intraday high of $10.60 and the lowest of $9.79 per share. Company's 52-week high price is $24.34, which means current price plus 40.17% above all-time high, which was touched on 1/26 of 2021. So, almost getting close to, well, we'll just call it 11 months ago, but it's coming up on the year where it was touched the all-time high. So we'll see what it does here in the future. What do top market gurus say about EVgo? And kind of some of the same information as we already went over. Strong sell represents a sell, and 3 hold and indicates a buy. So kind of all over on the ratings on this one. EVgo stock gets a hold rating. Analysts see it becoming a formidable player, and this is dated yesterday as well. So EVgo were initiated with a hold rating at Needham, with analysts saying the electric vehicle charging company could become a formidable player in the space. Needham noted EVgo's strong partnership and said that the company owns its stations all in high-traffic metropolitan areas. These factors combined with the company's disciplined, so kind of an interesting company. As you follow my channel, you know I'm into all kinds of EV plays, Neo, Xpeng, Li Auto, Tesla being my favorite, of course. I just did a video on Workhorse today. You can go ahead and laugh at that one, but wow, it's at I think it's hit a new low today, a 52-week low. So say what you want about it. I'm hoping it's going to have a comeback. So still watching that one. Might have to buy some shares to lower my cost basis, but you can go ahead and watch that video. The move no one expected, and that's 2 months ago, so we're no relevant information there. But over here on StockTwits, currently at 936 with a low of 717, high of 2434. We'll see if there's any comments here. What about if EVgo partnership with Tesla? There you go. Here it kind of goes over some options. Kind of interesting. Some more options comments. 750 would be cool. The one goes to 60 pretty rapidly after tax selling, probably February, March. Interesting point. Long and strong, 44,999 shares, 530. I am not uncertain. Wow. I'd have to see some proof. That's kind of crazy. 530 options contracts. Wow. Build back better. There you go. Oh, man. Haven't heard of STEM. That's interesting. This is charge point. Not gonna lie, this is ugly. I lost 50k of my profits by selling my calls when EVgo was at 15 rather than 19.25. However, I never expected this. Ouch. That's why you gotta be cautious with options. It's gambling. Over here on MSN Money, showing it as a hold. And here on Tip Ranks, currently at 936. Showing a hold. 6 ratings, 2 at a buy, 3 at a hold, 1 at a sell. $16.80 with almost an 80% upside. That's kind of crazy. High of 20, low of 11. But if you have EVgo, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information. And if there's any other EV plays you want me to check, I'd be happy to take a look. I might try to cover them all. Even lithium, cobalt, all the charging stations, charge point, plug power, fuel cell, all that I've covered as well. So anything, picks and shovels, if you will, to make money off of the EV market. So again, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.